Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about decimal places and why you would want to set your decimal spatial on your parallel dimension tool at more decimals. I've got these two lines and they're just spaced out, but I want to measure how far apart they are. So I'm going to go to the parallel dimension tool. I'm going to go from that node to that node, so you don't have to, well, it would help to use the control button because that is at a little bit of an angle. Let's just go from the middle, holding down the control button so you get a perpendicular. And if you'll see, you've got 2.91 inches. 2.91 inches, let's remember that. Let's set our nudge distance on 2.91. Let's take this line and make a duplicate and nudge it over 2.91. It's not 2.91 because we've rounded off the decimal place. So this time, let's take our parallel dimension tool. You don't have to do anything, but you could change it right up here, but we can change it afterwards. I'm holding down the control button so I get a perpendicular. I've got 2.91. I'm going to zoom in so you can see this. And I'm going to change my decimal places to more decibels. That's 2.9136. So let's change this to 2.9136. It's going to round it off to 214. Control D and move it over, nudge it over. And now look at it. It's right on top of itself. So in most cases, it's not that big a deal, but if you're building a box with finger joints and you're measuring the finger joints, when you do this, change your decimal places. I mean, it's ironic how close it could get. I need to draw a line. Let's just draw a box. Having trouble getting a rectangle. Let's just draw a rectangle. We don't really know how. Now our decimal places on up here, I've set pretty high, so it's 9.767. Let's take the parallel dimension tool and go, this time on the top, we don't have to control the button. And you see I've got 9.77 where we actually have 2.967. But let's change out the decimal further out this time. Grab our virtual segment or parallel dimension tool. Let's go even further out. It's 9.6667323. So you could get, way beyond what you really need. But so when you're building something that has to be precise and you're trying to get your joints tight, change your decimal places and make them more decimals. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.